Welcome back to our channel. We're diving into a world of poetic justice. Get ready to witness 20 instances where criminals fell into their own traps. From hilarious mishaps to moments of instant karma, these stories will leave you amazed. So let's jump right in and see how crime came back to bite them. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our thrilling content. Now, let's get started. Criminals often believe they are cunning and can outsmart the law, but every now and then, karma catches up with them in the most unexpected ways. In this intriguing video, we explore 20 instances where criminals ended up falling into their own traps. From failed heists to misguided plans, these stories serve as a reminder that crime doesn't pay. So let's delve into the world of poetic justice and witness criminals getting caught in their own web of deception. 1. The locked escape. A thief attempted to rob a jewelry store by locking himself inside, but he forgot the keys outside the store. The police easily apprehended him as he desperately tried to break free. 2. GPS tracker surprise. A car thief unknowingly stole a vehicle equipped with a GPS tracker. The police tracked him down swiftly and apprehended him before he even realized what had happened. 3. Fake money, real trouble. A counterfeiter accidentally used a fake bill to pay for his meal at a restaurant, where an observant cashier recognized the forgery and promptly called the police. 4. Foiled by the selfie. A burglar broke into a house and, in a moment of self-absorption, decided to take a selfie with stolen jewelry. Unbeknownst to him, the homeowner had a security camera leading to his swift identification and arrest. 5. Locked inside. During an attempted burglary, a criminal got trapped in the very house he was trying to rob. The homeowner returned and found him desperately trying to escape, making it easy for the police to apprehend him. 6. Identity crisis. A fraudster attempted to impersonate someone to withdraw money from their bank account. However, he accidentally chose the person he was trying to impersonate in the queue, leading to his immediate capture. 7. Ransom fail. A kidnapper attempted to demand a hefty ransom for a person's release, but made the mistake of dialing the victim's own number. The victim answered the call, leading to a swift rescue operation and the kidnapper's arrest. 8. The incriminating selfie. A criminal on the run decided to take a selfie with stolen goods and post it on social media. The police quickly identified him and apprehended him based on the location, data embedded in the photo. 9. The sticky situation. A thief attempted to rob a convenience store but got trapped in a sticky flypaper trap set up by the store owner. He struggled to break free until the police arrived. 10. Caught on camera. A vandal tried to damage a parked car, not realizing that the owner had installed security cameras. The entire act was captured on video, making it easy for the police to identify and apprehend the culprit. 11. The unfortunate disguise. A bank robber thought he could disguise himself by wearing a fake beard and wig. However, the wig fell off during the heist, exposing his true identity to everyone present. 12. Fire escape failure. A burglar attempted to escape from a building through a narrow fire escape, only to get stuck halfway. The police arrived and found him hanging precariously until they could rescue him and place him under arrest. 13. Blinded by the flash. A thief broke into a home but accidentally triggered the alarm system, which activated a series of blinding strobe lights. The disoriented criminal stumbled around, making it easy for the homeowner to subdue him until the police arrived. 14. Wrong turn. A fugitive trying to escape from the police ran into a dead-end alley, unaware of its layout. With nowhere to go, he had no choice but to surrender. 15. Falling through the roof. A burglar attempted to break into a building by descending from the roof. However, he misjudged his footing and crashed through the ceiling, landing directly in front of a surprised security guard. 16. Texting mishap. A criminal accidentally sent a text message detailing his illegal activities to the wrong person, a police officer. The incriminating message led to a swift arrest. 17. Trip and fall. While trying to flee from the scene of a crime, a thief tripped over his own shoelaces and fell flat on his face, allowing nearby witnesses to apprehend him until law enforcement arrived. 18. Tunnel trouble. A group of criminals attempted to rob a bank by digging a tunnel from a nearby building. However, their tunnel collapsed, burying them alive and foiling their plans. 19. Wrong disguise. A robber thought he could disguise himself by wearing a mask, but he accidentally chose a mask that made him stand out from the crowd. It didn't take long for the police to identify and capture him. 20. Caught in the act. A thief attempted to break into a house, not realizing that the homeowner was an off-duty police officer. The officer caught the criminal red-handed and swiftly apprehended him. These 20 stories serve as reminders that criminals often underestimate the power of karma and the resourcefulness of law enforcement. From ill-fated escapes to self-incriminating actions, these criminals fell into their own traps and faced the consequences of their actions. It's a testament to the fact that crime rarely goes unpunished. So if you're ever tempted to venture down the wrong path, remember these cautionary tales and think twice before falling into your own trap. And that wraps up our compilation of 20 times criminals fell into their own traps. It just goes to show that you can't outrun fate, especially when you're caught in your own web of deception. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any other examples of criminals getting a taste of their own medicine. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore even more fascinating stories from around the world. Until then, stay safe, stay curious, and always remember that crime doesn't pay. Take care